Hi everyone, my name is Franco Martinez, and I'm a realtor specializing in probate real estate in Torrance. I understand that dealing with the loss of a loved one is extremely difficult, and navigating the legal process of probate can feel overwhelming. Today, we're tackling a real common question I get from people going through this. How can I find out if I'm named in a will? If you suspect you might be a beneficiary but haven't received any official notification, don't worry. There are several steps you can take to find out. Let's dive in. So you think you might be named in a will? Here's what you can do. Number one, check public records. In most cases, once a will goes through probate, it becomes a matter of public record. This means you can actually visit the local courthouse in the county where the deceased person lived. Ask the clerk for the probate records related to their estate. These documents should list all the named heirs and beneficiaries. It might take a bit of digging, but it's often the most direct way to get the information. Number two, communicate with the family members. Sometimes a lack of communication within the family can lead to uncertainty. Reach out to other relatives who might have been closer to the deceased or involved in discussions about their estate planning. They may have information about the will or know who the executor is. A simple conversation can sometimes clear things up. Number three, contact the executor. If you happen to know who has been appointed as the executor of the estate, get in touch with them directly. The executor is legally responsible for managing the estate and informing all named beneficiaries about their inheritance. They should be able to provide you with information about the will and the probate process. Number four, hire an attorney. If you're facing difficulties getting information or if there seems to be any conflict among potential heirs, it might be a time to consult with a probate attorney. An attorney specializing in estate law can be a valuable source. They can guide you through the legal process, help you understand your rights, and even assist you in obtaining a copy of the will. Number five, look for will notifications. In many jurisdictions, executors are required to publish notices in local newspapers to inform potential creditors and heirs about their probate proceedings. Keep an eye on the legal notices section of the newspapers in the areas where deceased lived. You might find a notification related to the estate. Number six, request a copy of the will. Once the probate process has officially begun, you have the right to request a copy of the will. You can usually do this through the probate court or directly from the executor. This will give you a definite confirmation of whether or not you're named as a beneficiary. And I know this can feel like a lot to navigate, especially when you're already dealing with grief. Remember, it's okay to take things one step at a time. It's also important to acknowledge that sometimes these situations can bring up complex family dynamics. There may be a lack of communication or perhaps end-of-life planning wasn't openly discussed. Whatever the reason, I want to assure you that seeking information about a potential inheritance is a legitimate and understandable desire. If you're going through the probate process and need help, don't hesitate to reach out. As a probate real estate specialist here in Torrance, I understand how to guide you through the selling of property that's part of an estate. I can help you navigate the unique challenges that come with probate real estate and ensure a smooth and efficient transaction. You can find my contact information in the description below.